This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Cristina Grossu. Views, views, views. This 1-bedroom/1-bath fully furnished condo at the Avenue is stunning. Largest floor plan offered at the Avenue. Unit features stainless steel appliances, wood floors, concrete ceilings and much more. New paint. All furniture and appliances included in photos are included in monthly rent at $1,995. Upgraded closet with built-in storage and racks. Popular building amenities include 24 hours concierge, pool, move theater room, billiards, club room, fitness center, and more. Private patio overlooks all that Uptown has to offer, gorgeous at night and during the day. For more information, review the details.